46. I made some calls. I was just not the only consumer playing. And if $5 for 60. These guys are some tough bastards.
I don't see that's any concern of yours.
It's not. We have a working relationship to do each other favors. You can let yourself clean.
Why would you want to do that? Yeah.
What out of it?
Let's just say we parted ways. I can fire.
Just when you're paying off your debt, too.
All right, look. You know you have me. I know. Just tell me what the plan is.
I like where your head's at, Jack. You know, shoot.
Long day.
You know, sometimes you spend so much waiting for something that simply comes measuring up your expectations. Maybe we should just go home.